Fucking work of art, innit? Yay! He fucking the boy just make a brute force in the ground. So here goes. Yeah. Right, anyway, this ain't easy. Yep. Sorry about that. This road has turned into the M5 when you don't want it to. I'm sorry about that. I would have done it any faster, I would have. Can't fit the bag on it, but two chances, isn't it? Yeah! Yeah, clear! Have what you want! Fucking hell. Fucking nerve-wracking. Fucking Georgie, fucking... Good job of Georgie in here. We'd be right in the fucking argument. It's been quite an experience in this weather. It's done nothing but rain. So basically, we've grown a horse box in a horse box space there. We've grown the tea hut out of the woods. We've got a lorry body in place, and also we've grown a caravan. The plan is to have enough space with a bit of a roof over to have like a bit of a, you know, bit of a walk around area. But let's see. Keep you posted.
Just fucking jump.
When I say the three,
just fucking jump.
my fucking head, you cunt.
Just fucking jump. Just fucking jump if you want to jump.
Push till I say three. When I say three, I'm going to jump on four. So you don't get my lip, my words.
What? Hold on a minute.
You got to click when I say 1, 2, 3. You got to push play.
It's fucking hell. Just fucking go now, because I run out of battery life.
On 3.
Well, you just fucking do it all you like. Oh, whoa, not yet. Fuck.